Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to change the faucet. How to install a faucet, different kinds of faucet, separate line of faucet for your Kangen water. And what I had here, this is just something I was trying yesterday. Obviously, it doesn't work, so I went to because I used to have a different type of water filtration. Now I went to the Kangen place where they supply the Kangen water, and I got one of these. This is the faucet that you need, and it's about $130. But this is exactly what I need. Tried going to Lowe's, Home Depot, couldn't find the faucet that I wanted, but this is the one that you need. What happened is I was using this for the longest time, just the separate lines, but you see this thing broke, and I've always wanted to have a separate line like before. So if we go down here, this is what it'll look like. So that's the cold water. This would be the cold water line that you need to turn off. So turn that off. And then in here, we're gonna put in the T. And we're gonna connect that to the faucet. I'm gonna have to remove this and install a new one. As you can see, I already have a hole, so you just have to drill through there. I mean, find a good place where you wanna put your Kangen water and just drill through. This is the manual that I'm gonna be using. You can see you need to drill if you haven't drilled that one yet. I've done it already on my part. Yes, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll do a step through it. And I've also bought this. This is not supplied with the faucet that I bought. You can see this is the name, the T valve. That's what you need. A 1/4-inch T and a hose, which is this. So I just bought these as well, and so that's the 1/4-inch hose, the flexible hose. What I have here is 20 inches long. But I told the guy this might not be long enough, so I grab an extension, another 10. So we'll see how this works, and I hope that it will fit nicely. Okay guys, forget what I mentioned about these. This is not right. I specifically gave the instruction when I bought it. I gave this to the guy where I bought it. I said a 1/4 inch, and he gives me a 3/8. He gives me a 1/2 inch. See that? So I had to go right now. I just got back. I went to Lowe's to buy a 1/4 inch. I should say here, right here, 1/4 inch, right there. That's what you need. 1/4 inch comp. And this is what I need. So yeah, I had to try that on, and so I was very disappointed with what the guy has given me, especially when I gave him the paper of what I really needed. And I actually had to bring this with me, this T at Lowe's, just to make sure that it fits. So it does fit. I'm gonna install this right now, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Here's the holes. I just want to show you guys the hole that I made way back with the old faucet, and I'm gonna install the new one now. It's pretty much the same size, so just slide down in there, looking good. Push it all the way down. Looks like something's blocking it. Oh, hold on. I think I'm supposed to take this one out first. There you go. I'm supposed to take this one out first because this is the locking device, locking mechanism. Okay, so I'll be back. Here it goes, guys. So what I've done is I've just taken up the cap, and I'm gonna install this in here. I'm gonna put that in here, and then I'm gonna push this inside and then lock it with this nut. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far. I've installed the faucet. I haven't tightened everything up yet. It's kind of loose right now. Just want to make sure that I get my final position where you want it. Obviously I want this to be the shortest hose as it can be. And looking at the bottom here, this is what we have. So the T, 3/8 or 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch outlet that tees off to this. This is a 1/4 inch line. There's that flexible hose, and it goes. I'll just show you here. It's tight. It's a tight space, so pick where you want to drill that. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Make sure you install the rubber and then the lock nut that comes with it. Okay, it was pretty tough trying to install this tight space, and I'm just gonna tighten everything up now, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm just using a 11/16 wrench to tighten it up. So you can see it's not as easy, especially if I'm recording this all by myself. Right there. Oh man. But anyways, I just want to show you guys, and now stop this so I can do it faster. It's tightened up, guys. I've used 5/8 to tighten this up and 3/8 or no, ½ inch to tighten this up. So there you go, there's the line, blue line through water. Everything is tightened up and we're gonna try it right now. And I turned on the cold water as well. Should be on as well. Yeah, should be on. So Kangen water still off, power on. You can see water's coming out of the main faucet, cold water. Hot water. Might take a while. Let's test this one. Turned it on. No water coming out. No water's coming out. Why? Why is there no water coming out? I don't know. Okay, so the reason why the water was it's not coming out was because there was a kink on the hose. So just watch out for that. Make sure that the hose is nice. There's no bent in the hose. And what we're gonna do right now actually is I'm gonna cut this to suit so it's not too long. Same with this hose, so it's not too long. So again, just to try it out, turn it on, clean water. Should be coming out anytime soon. There it is. Yay! That's how you do it, guys. And turn it off. Okay, so I'm also gonna do a replacement for the filter because it's about time that we do a replacement. And then I'm gonna cut this hose so that it's a little bit nicer. It's a little bit smaller, shorter in length. Okay, now guys, we're gonna replace the filter. So just push this. There's a push button here just off the side. Push that, get it out of the way, and turn this clockwise, so this way, and it'll pop up. Already done so there it is. So make sure that the O-ring doesn't stay in the plug hole there. So these are the O-ring. That's the main thing that the manual is saying. Make sure that it doesn't stay there. Take it out, replace it with a new one. This is the new one I just got. See, it comes with the O-ring, and I'm just gonna put that in there, and that's about it. I'll show you in a minute while I open this. This is the new one. Just put the water holder back in place and pretty much just match the rings so that the smaller one goes on the further right hand side, like so. It should just sit there. There you go. So once it's there, once it's in place, then I think you just lock this in. Install, just lock this in. Counterclockwise, and that's it. Counterclockwise, that's it. It's all fixed. That's about it, guys. And obviously it's always important to write the date in here, which I'm gonna do in a little bit. I just put this, there's a sticker. Yeah, so just peel it up and put it in, and then just write the date. Okay, and then after that, reset switch. Make sure you press the reset switch, and that will let the machine know that you've replaced it. So final installation, guys. This is what it looks like. I'm just letting it run a few times here. Clean water. That's what it looks like. I love how clean it is, how nice it is. Like the hoses are all so short now. They're not that long anymore. And I love this faucet, how I can control it by turning it, turning it off and turning it on. I like that. Very short. Yeah, it's really nice. I think I did a good job of installing this. It's about time. It's about time, by the way. It's about $130 for that. Again, I just want to, down here underneath what's happening, just make sure you check for any leaks. Make sure you tighten all the connections. And again, don't forget the rubber seal that goes onto the bottom of it. I'm not like, see it here. Yeah, there it is. The rubber seal and the lock. Okay. Other than that, guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Consider subscribing because I do a lot of home improvements and just manual stuff. And what's good about this, it's all cold water now. All cold water. No more hot run protection error from the machine. Again, if you like this video, hit that like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.